Okay, I pulled the mini front panel off the computer, did a high-res scan of the back of it, double checking all the solder points. I found I didn't finish soldering these two chip sockets. So now they're completely soldered correctly, looks good. So I go stop, reset, let's see if I can do this. Stop, reset, and I'll do a examine. So now it's stepping through the examines. I'll do a reset, examine, I go put a 5 in there, deposit, I got the first deposit, second deposit, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it didn't step through the LEDs. I'll do an examine at 0, and only the very first address, 0, got the deposit. So that's where the computer sits now.